How to increase or decrease the text size for Samsung Internet on the Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, open up the Samsung Internet app. Next, we go down, then tap on the menu button. From here, tap on text size. And in here, you can drag on the slider bar to the left to decrease the text size, or we can drag it to the right to increase the text size. And then tap on OK. Now, another option is to go into settings. So in the internet settings, we scroll down and then tap on web page view and scrolling, and then tap on web page text size. In here, you can also drag on the slider bar to increase or decrease the text size. And then tap on the back key to go back to your web pages. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.